Do you want to know how a dermatologist applies her vitamin C serum? You see, serums are expensive.
What?
You want to make sure that whatever you're applying on your skin does get absorbed. And hence, I would recommend that you always massage your skin before applying your serum. You can use a Jade roller, for instance, which is an ergonomic and a gentle method of facial massage that can help to increase local blood circulation. I'll do that for about 1 to 2 minutes, and remember to apply an adequate amount of the serum. In general, for well-formulated cosmeceuticals, you only need about 3 drops to cover the entire face. You should always apply serums to slightly damp skin, so right after cleansing is a good idea because that increases the permeability of your epidermis, and this ensures that the active ingredients can penetrate the stratum corneum in order to reach the deeper layers of skin.